Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we decode the top Financial Express headlines that can directly impact stocks, sectors, and your portfolio. Let's get started. Newspaper top story 1. Tobacco stocks crashed 0.30 to 1.30. Big shocker for investors. Tobacco stocks tumbled up to 40% after the government imposed a much higher sin tax. Key points. New tax hike effective February 1st. Stocks under pressure. ITC, VST Industries, Godfrey Phillips. Margin impact expected immediately. Analysis. This shows how policy risk can wipe out years of steady returns in defensive stocks. If you're holding tobacco stocks, expect volatility and valuation reset in the near term. Banking or finance, major shift 130 to 245. Small diamond banks moved to unsecured lending. Banks are now shifting towards unsecured loans to protect margins as funding costs rise. Fresh lending rates up 32 basis points. Higher focus on personal loans, credit cards, short tenure loans. Warning sign risk. This boosts profitability short term but increases credit risk if the economy slows. Small diamond banks too float their own pension funds. In a big structural change, banks may soon launch their own pension funds, reducing long-term costs. Downward trend startup ecosystem, warning signal 245 to 330. Startup shutdowns in India hit a 5-year low, but here's the twist. Fewer startups are surviving due to lack of funding. Funding winter continues. Only well-capitalized startups surviving. Profitability greater than growth narrative. Investor takeaway. Private markets are becoming selective, which is healthy long-term, but painful short-term. Car, auto or consumption. Mixed signals 330 to 415. Oncoming car sales surged 26% in December. Passenger vehicle sales jumped 26% year, driven by festive demand and better supply chains. Stocks to watch. Maruti, Tata Motors, M&M, Auto Ancillaries. Flying Money Economy check. Strong signals 415 to 515. Checkmark GST growth back in positive zone. December GST collections up 8.3%. Indicates consumption stability. Checkmark OP transactions hit record high. 23 lakh rupee crore transactions in 2025. Digital economy strengthening rapidly. Despite market volatility, India's economic engine remains strong. Investments or capex 515 to 615. Private sector investment in new projects is at an all-time high, even though overall investments have slowed. Infra, manufacturing, EVs in focus. Government jolt private capex cycle intact. Long-term bullish signal. This is a structural positive for capital goods, infrastructure, and PSU stocks. Prithvi International snapshot 615 to 645. BYD sells 4.6 million vehicles, up 7.7%. AI or brain chip investments gaining momentum. Global markets remain volatile but tech capex continues. Pushpin conclusion. What should investors do? 645 to 730. So what's the bottom line? Policy sensitive stocks equals high risk. Banks remain strong but watch asset quality. Consumption or digital payments are bullish. Capex and infra remain long-term winners. Markets are clearly separating quality from noise. Bell outro 730 to 8:00 look. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like thumbs up ka chinha. Subscribe for daily market news, stock analysis, and smart investing insights. Comment below which sector are you tracking right now. See you in the next video. Happy investing. Upward trend.